Tip top. All right. It's time for that very, very tragic moment when we have to play the very last song and then go back to Sweden and, play in the snow and all that stuff that Swedes do. And but first, Jonas Hellboy on bass guitar. The maestro. Niklas Campanolo on drums. Give him a hand. My name is a little tricky business to speak about in Indian. The thing is, my first name is Matthias, so far okay. My nickname is Iya. The last name, a little bit more tricky though. It's called Ekland. So, and there's nothing I can do about it, it's true, it's true. The fine thing, one of the very, very fine things I've learned about India is that if you decide to play a instrument like, mandolin Srinivas, then you're called mandolin Srinivas. If you happen to like the church organ Bob, for example, or something like that. So my name, actually, for this special Saturday night in Mumbai would be Guitar Wandik Ekland. So, thank you very much and good night. God bless you, India. We had a kick-ass time here. Jonas Hellboy, Guitar Wandik. Thank you. We hope to be back soon like an evil pain in the butt. We never go away. Vikings never do. We'd like to finish off with a song called Leal Souvenir, and it's again very tricky to dance to, but never mind that. It's in 11/16 and 5/16 and all kinds of stuff. But it has some nice, interesting gaps that we would like you, the fine people of Mumbai and wherever you're from, to give us a good, solid Indian scream. Is that okay? I will do something like, hey, heavy metal sign. All right, cool. Thank you very much and good night. Let's do it. Let's hear it. God bless you. God bless you, India. Thank you very much. One day you kick ass. Give us a very bass guitar. Woo! Yeah! Et Gaston passe pour le drums. Guitar my dick. Thank you so much. You kick ass. Good night. See you soon again. All right.